Hi, everyone. It's me, Madam Pamita, and we have another fabulous question from the Live Magic Q&A Tea Party that I hold every Sunday. I'd love to see you there. Come join me live over Zoom and ask your questions about witchcraft, magic, spirituality, and I'll answer them. You can do that simply by going to spellsquad.com, signing up, and you'll get a link to join. And not only that, you'll get a coupon for the Parlor of Wonders. Win-win. So why don't you head over to spellsquad.com, and now we're going to see a clip from one of our live magic Q&A tea parties. Jennifer says, I've got your release and restore spell, but when is the best time to perform it? Okay, talk about timing of spells. So we can do spells really anytime. I mean, like if you need it right now, like do it right now. If you're going to do a release and restore and you need it, like you just need it now, do it now. And don't worry about the timing. Timing is just another thing that we can add in. So we don't, if we don't have the luxury, let's say, for example, we need fast money right now, we don't need to wait for the certain phase of the moon or certain, astrological phenomenon or anything like that. We can do the spell right now. So with a release and restore, what we're doing is healing work. We're letting go of something and bringing in an improved version, right? So we're letting go of like a past relationship and bringing a better relationship, or we're letting go of arguments and bringing in peace. So it's this interesting spell that's like getting rid of one thing and bringing in another. Now, when I think about that, the timing of that is really new moon timing, excuse me, because at the new moon, we're ending the waxing moon and beginning we're ending the waning moon and beginning the waxing moon. The waning moon time, when the moon appears to be getting smaller, is when we release and let go of something. And the waxing moon, when the moon appears to be getting bigger and bigger toward full moon in the sky, then we bring in something. So if you work on the new moon with a release and restore, that's a great time to work. Another great time to work, if healing and rejuvenating is really the theme of what you're working on, Mondays are great for that. That's a beautiful day for healing, beautiful time for doing that work. So if you're doing a healing intention, you could do that on a Monday. You could also do it on a Sunday. I mean, Sunday's blessings, so that could be a good day to work as well. There's lots of ways that you can work and lots of different timings. I mean, times of the planetary hours and times of the day and all kinds of things. So if you really want a thorough breakdown of all kinds of different ways that you can do a timing, I recommend that you check out my book, The Book of Candle Magic, that has all kinds of ways and goes into great detail. But for a release and restore, those are the two that come to mind. I mean, I would do it on a Monday because that's easy and, soon. But if you want to wait until the new moon, you can do that as well and do it on the new moon. That one I would do on the day of the new moon, starting the spell before the time of the new moon and ending the spell after the time of the new moon. So it's a pretty precise spell. So up to you how you want to do it.